Hi guys, Nicole Ryan here. You probably know me from my Instagram handle, Nicole Ryan Blog, and while I'm not fashion blogging or hitting the streets for real estate, I'm actually doing some home projects too. So we're here at the Maricopa County Home Show. I have a lot of great projects that I'm looking to focus on this year. Some backyard projects like a pool renovation, maybe a new swing set for the kids. So I'm gonna take you guys inside and we're gonna see what we can find. Oh my gosh, this place is huge. So where do we start? Outdoor escapes. Need a pool? Let's go check them out. Hi Steve, Nicole. Great to meet you. I'm looking to do a pool renovation.
Sign up here and we'll take care of the rest.
One of the best things I think about being an attendee at the home show is that it's a one-stop shop. You can see exactly what everybody has to offer. You're gonna figure out what's gonna be the best bang for your buck, and then you get to make a decision. So I don't know any other place you can go where you can do this exact thing. I'm in heaven. My husband has been dying for one of these island grills, so I think you're the guy to talk to. Oh, incredible.
Super fast.
All right, awesome. Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
My kids would die for a space like this. We are actually looking to enhance our backyard space. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so
Appreciate
much.
it. Okay, who would have known in a space like this that you can meet so many different vendors? I mean, everything that you need is right at your fingertips, whether that's bathroom, that's kitchen, that's pool, that's landscaping. There's so much more to look at. I'm super excited to check everybody out, but wanted to say thanks for coming along on this little journey today, and I hope to see you at the next home and garden show.